in front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first, open your phone the other. And here we will be entering the codes. The first one is asterisk pound, double to 5, pound asterisk. And here we've got the calendar info. So all upcoming events, all the events that you have saved in every calendar, like Google Calendar, your device's calendar, would be displayed right here in one place. So it's super useful to check it all, so you do not miss any upcoming event. So that's it for this code. You can smoothly go back. And another one that you can use on your device is asterisk pound, 4 to 6, pound asterisk. And here we've got FCM diagnostic panel. So in this one you can check status and events, and if you want to explore it a bit more, just select this 3 dots icon, which is for more options, mark advanced view, and here you've got it. So let me go back, and the last code that you're going to use here is asterisk pound, 06 pound. It's also the shortest, but as you can see, this one will provide you with email and serial numbers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.